Hi, today I'm going to present the topic which is impairment testing in financial reports for the year ended in 13 June 2018 and to the board of directors. In this presentation I will explain the role of the professional judgment of the maintain the high quality of the information, evaluate the quality of the disclosure in impairment testing, and the areas that us should consider by audit committees for further improvement and recommendation actions for improvement. As you can see in those charts, the International Financial Accounting Standard is the primary financial reporting standards. It's a principle-based standard that requires additional interpretation and a professional judgment of the accounting professionals to deliver the high quality of the information to users. Thus, to make the accounting information become more relevant, objective, and value-free, it is important to make reasonable professional judgment when interpreting the principles addressed in the accounting standards. The appropriate professional judgment is to consolidate the trust relationship with the users in public capital market. Well, this slide is the reasonableness of the professional judgment based on the ethics requirements. And as you can see, our company, GB Hi-Fi Limited, is the leading electronic goods retailer to the Australia and New Zealand. In the Australia and New Zealand, generally we believe that the estimation of the discount rate cash flow growth rate is consistent with the requirements of the ethics 2018 that requires the relevant consideration of the contextual operational environment and the national differences. Our consideration on discount rate applied to the Australian operational rate was 10% compared to the 5% of those used in New Zealand. For our business-related brand, GB Hi-Fi for the Good Guys, we use 10 and 5% discount rate. As you'll be able to see from this slide, we made a professional judgment on the growth rate. We used 2 and 5% that was reviewed and compared with the project long-term average growth rate for consumer product market. Well, this slide I'm going to talk about the areas should be considered by the audit committee for the further improvement. However, the reasonableness of the professional judgment and estimate of the future cash flow on the CGU concerned us because we could not ensure the adequacy and the appropriateness of the review process to ensure the objective and unbiased estimation of the cash flows. We just started and we would use the best past experience to review the process of the projection and have it received by board members. And secondly, in our disclosure, we would only provide the CGU recognition outcomes to our report users, but fail to explain the fundamental and principles approaches on how we grouped separate the asset. Third, the appropriate grouping or allocation of the shared assets to different CGUs may cause the inappropriate allocation of the impairment after impairment assessment. Finally, we come to the conclusion and recommendation parts. We believe that we should consider the different situation of the individual asset. Hence, we recommend that our accounting division should make the additional study of the principal standard of impairment, that is the AASB 136, and that provide the detailed disclosure requirements of the assets, impairment, and the recognition of CGU, and the detailed asset groups and allocation should be clearly disclosed. Furthermore, we should also start to use the market conditional approach compared with the past performance to estimate the future financial performance of our CGUS. That is all. So thanks for listening, and I hope that our presentation part will be cleared, and that's it.